Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen, and today I'm going back to my childhood and Sunday tea times, and I'm making the simplest of fruit flans. Now you can use any fruit that you want, but it's strawberry season, so obviously I'm using strawberries. I'm going to hull them and wash them and chop them. I'll need a phone case, and don't make it, buy it. Honestly, if you want to make it, then please do, but use a Genoese sponge mix because you don't want it rising. So Genoese sponge as in sort of sponge that you'd use if you were making a Swiss roll. Right, so strawberries, flan case, quick gel. You can get this in all supermarkets in the baking aisle. And you'll need, because I'm using fresh fruit, I'm going to need to add a little bit of sugar, so 25 grams of sugar, and I'll need to add 200 grams of water to that, and then we shall heat it with the sugar on the hob and pour over our flan. So I'm not going to bore you, well I probably will, but I'm not going to bore you with the, oh, this is how you chop a strawberry, okay, because you all know how to chop strawberries. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to get it laid out into the flan, and here you go, let's just so you can see before I fill it up. We shall go from there. Right then, my strawberries are washed, hulled and in the flan case. Just cut them into halves to start with, and then you want to fill in any gaps, cut them into quarters. If they're too big, cut them into eighths. So we'll leave that over here. And in this pot I have the quick gel, the 25 grams of sugar and 200 ml of water. Now if you're using tinned fruit, then use some of the juice from that fruit. Use half and half. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to heat this up until everything has melted, and then I need to leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes until the gel starts to thicken up, hence quick gel. So I'll come back to you when this has all melted, show you it, and then we'll show you it when it's thickened slightly. Right, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes and this is just starting to come up to a boil, and I have been using my whisk constantly. So now I can just take it off of the heat, and we need, there it is, and we need it to thicken up slightly. So again, we'll be back. Our quick gel has started to thicken, so we're just going to spoon it over our strawberry flan. And then we pop it into the fridge for an hour or so until it thickens up and we have a set jelly on the top. So I'll carry on doing this and you'll see this when it's set. Right, we are set. Look at that beautiful, beautiful glaze that you get. But I'm going to add just a little bit of something more. This is purely optional. It's something that I just think looks good, and that, oh yeah, you need to know what it is. And I have some melted white chocolate, and I am just drizzling it over, oh that was a big bit, wasn't it, over the flan, because strawberries and chocolate, well, they are pretty much a marriage made in heaven. Dark chocolate would be wonderful. Milk chocolate would be even better. But I had these white chocolate, what do you call them? Drops? I suppose that's what you'd call them. Chips, that's the word. There you go. I had these white chocolate chips, so I thought, let's melt these. So I turned the oven, the microwave oven, down to 600 watts, and they had about a minute and a half to melt. And these are just a little bag from Lidl. Can't remember how much they were because I did buy them for another thing, but there we go. Just a little something extra on your strawberry flan. Gonna let that set and then we'll have a taste. But for now, thank you for watching this episode of In the Kitchen with Pen. Please join me again soon. And if you've liked this really simple, I can't even call it a recipe, can I? Because it's just like a put together. Please give us a thumbs up. Any comments, write them down below. If you make it and put it on your Sunday tea and it goes down well, please let me know. And I shall see you all again very soon. Bye bye for now.